Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying prerequisites so you don't waste time. Open Settings, go to Apps, and find the Apps entry. This locates package and status. Once found, check whether Battery Saver, Data Saver, or Device Admin blocks background activity because those commonly cause forced stops. Now tap Force Stop Status to confirm it's inactive. If the button is available, the app is currently stopped. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi or cellular with permissions ready, so the next steps will re-enable the app cleanly. Once done, proceed to restore the app's core functions. First, clear cache to remove temporary issues, but avoid clearing data unless necessary, because that resets accounts. Then tap Permissions and allow the specific permissions the app needs to run. Missing permissions often cause crashes or stops. Next, open battery or power settings and exempt the app from optimization so the system won't kill it. Finally, check background data is allowed. These steps reinstate runtime capability and reduce the chance of immediate reforce stop. Now finish by restarting the app, tap Open or force restart the device. This applies new permissions and battery exclusions. If the app still force stops, update it via the store or uninstall and reinstall to replace corrupted binaries. Make sure system updates are installed, because OS bugs can cause repeated stops. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party conflicts, or capture logs and contact the developer. One key tip: always test after each change so you can identify which step fixed the issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.